All right, what's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? My name is Philip Anglade, and welcome to FXProNow.com. And what we're gonna be talking about right now is called like you don't know, is EURUSD. And what we called back on Wednesday, even on Monday, we call this as well, is the fact that price has found some level of support, and I see price getting to at the least 38.2. But if anything, getting to at least 61.8. That's what I see. We see that price did push, and then it found a level of support again, and then pushed up again today. Well, yesterday essentially. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to adjust my fibs so that we can be able to be a little bit more accurate. Price still did not get to 38.2, so I still see price heading to the upside. We see a level of resistance that was broken. Let's go ahead and break this down completely. All right. So let me go ahead and just erase some of this stuff. So we have a new point B, right? So point A all the way at the top at the bearish wick, and then a point B all the way at the bottom at the bearish wick again. We see that price attempts to make a true lower high, and price does not. So I do see the fact that price will get to at the least this 1.134 area, even to 1.14 area. So this will be where I'll be looking for price to head to, and I'm pretty sure no matter what price head to this upside, what I'll be looking for to be able to look for that buy is I'd look for price to push down. What I mean by push down, I would look to go into the lower time frame, the 30 time frame, and I'd look bullish in form. Now, what I'll be looking for is going from point A, from this bullish wick right here, to, let's just do the entire push, to point B, this bullish wick up here, right, this bullish wick over here. Price get at least a 38.2 to 61.8, somewhere in this boat right here, right? Once price gets to this area right here, what I'll be looking for again is that bullish engulfing pattern. Once that bullish engulfing pattern forms on the M30 time frame where it closes, specifically closes, right, I'll be looking for price to make that move to the upside like I was talking about. Why do I feel confident that this is an okay move to make? Well, on the H4 time frame, we do see the fact that, and this I was talking about before, we do see that it does break a level of resistance right here. Let me make this a little thicker. So we see a bullish candle right here. Price pushes, tests this level of support. It does not break it. It just tests it. And then from there, we actually do find a break of this level of resistance where we have many bullish candles that close on top of this area right here. All this is going to do is just retrace, right? Being the fact that it broke this area, it'll retrace. It'll find a bullish engulfing pattern again, and then continue its way to the upside to these areas right here. So this will be at least my take profit. So this would be take profit number 1 and take profit number 2. So let me just give you like a specific on where I'll be looking for my this region, so you can be able to see. So anywhere between 1.19 to 1.27 is where I'll be looking for that bullish engulfing pattern for the continuation of that move. And this looks to me, this is what I was going to do. Time frame. I doubled it. All right, let's show this on a higher time frame. Boom. And I'm looking for this to be how many pips? nothing. At the least, a 45 pip move to at the most a 150 pip move. So somewhere in that region it should be expected. So that's EURUSD. So really appreciate your time. Go to fxpronow.com so you'll be able to get the 5-step system to become an FX Pro now. Literally just following what we got going on. We have a YouTube page, we have a group chat, and we have an email list so you'll be able to get all of our updates. All right? Thank you very much for your time. Peace.